Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. So it is given that a square plus b square plus 2 times b plus 4 times a plus 5 equals 0, and then we need to find the value of a minus b divided by a plus b. When we are going to solve this kind of math problem, we need to focus on factorization method. Here we have a to the power 2 and b to the power 2, 2 times b and 4 times a. So we know that x plus y whole to the power 2 can be expanded as x to the power 2 plus 2 times x times y plus y to the power 2. So we have to use this knowledge to solve this problem. Now I am going to rearrange the given equation as a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2 plus 2 times b plus 4 times a plus, I'm going to rewrite this 5 as 4 plus 1. Now I can rearrange the equation. A square plus 4 times a plus 4 plus b square plus 2 times b plus 1 equals 0. Now if we look at carefully first three terms and second three terms separately, you can see that beautiful connection that they can be written as first three terms a plus 2 whole to the power 2 plus second three terms b plus 1 whole to the power 2 equals 0. Now we know that for any real value of a plus 2 whole to the power 2 equal or greater than 0, and for any real value of b plus 1 whole to the power 2 greater than or equal 0. Therefore, always a plus 2 whole to the power 2 plus b plus 1 whole to the power 2 equal or greater than 0. There is only one condition, only one occasion this equation is equal to 0, when separately a plus 2 equals 0 and b plus 1 equals 0. Therefore, it can be written as a plus 2 to the whole to the power 2 equals 0. Then we have a plus 2 equals 0, and we have value for a which is equal minus 2, and then b plus 1 whole to the power 2 equals 0, then b plus 1 equals 0. So we have value for b which is equal minus 1. Now we can find the value for a minus b divided by a plus b. So a is equal to minus 2 minus b is equal minus 1 divided by a is equal minus 2 plus b is equal minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 minus 1. Then minus 1 divided by minus 3, which is equal 1 over 3. This is our final answer.